Alright, so I am about to open up my PC because I'm in a tinkering mood, like I've said before, and I want to rearrange some of the cable management. I just cleaned my whole desk, cleared it off. Granted, most of the stuff that was on my desk has just been placed elsewhere. That's what I'm going to do now. So, alright, I'm going to be watching YouTube. I'm watching two of these people are lying. I'll put a link or something.
What? Ponty, famous drunk story, well told. I just am completely unable to tell if that is something.
One thing that I did was this used to be a light kit that went on the front of my case, and it glowed white straight out the front. However, when you put the computer to sleep, this flashed super aggressively. So at first I just unplugged it, and then just when I was deciding to do all this, I realized that it had screws, so I just took it off. So I'm gonna have that cable to pull out as well.
Oh, it's
I don't really feel like this would be absolutely necessary, but I'm gonna take shit out as well. My RAM out, and I'm gonna take my graphics card out. We're just gonna take it all apart. Completely unnecessary, probably in the long run, because it's not even like I have fancy cables. I just need to be doing something with my hands and a screwdriver, and at the moment, this is the best way to do that. Okay, does this... There is a clip. RTX 2060 Super. I would love to mount this vertically right here, but I don't think I could. Even if I wanted to take the time to do it, I couldn't, because it's a 3-slot card, and my vertically I only have 2 things. Okay. What the fuck is this? Why is it so hard to pull? Wow. What the fuck? This is mostly what I wanted to fix, is it's a little bit rat's nesty back here. Okay, that's all the front panel stuff. I don't know what's happening. But I know that this cable right here is the one that I have the biggest issue with. Oh. There we go. Because I think it should be coming through here. And if we bring it through right here, do we have the slack without having to do anything? Yeah. See that? I like that so much better. Here's this. This is that cable that I don't need anymore. Oh my god, I want to fix this so badly. Good. Good. Good.
The phrase South Korean Lover's Manual. Like, oh, one of those ones that turns up on the Challenger archive.
I recognise the still from it. It's got that like seal logo on the front.
Matt, can you tell us a bit more about the Ford Ute Muster?
It used to be made entirely in Australia until I think.
Call it the Muster. That doesn't work.
So you call it naming convention?
Yeah.
You call the car a Mustang.
Yeah.
So Muster is so fancy vehicles and muster the cattle twice a year to move it to and from where they graze.
Well, on the subject of balls, Squash.
Oh, is that what I said?
Thanks.
Yeah, the Wendy's
Is
is the
that
other.
what I said? Sorry. That was either the worst or best acting I've ever seen. Because I now believe you're ready. Please try and have a place that doesn't make up based on
Cool.
geometry.
I wasn't sure if I was going to get the RGB header connected in the right way, but I did. Cool. Alright.
That's not a middle class.
Wait,
That's my argument. Okay, squash tournament.
there should be more light
architectural tournament, miniature golf tournament.
coming from in here.
Ah,
Oh fuck.
Chris, I want yours to be true.
Wait, what is happening?
I don't think it is. I really want it to be, and I hope someone.
I am genuinely very confused. What is happening? Oh. Where the fuck did it go? the RGB extender, or the RGB header extension, had come unplugged from the RGB strips. But now I have to put these panels back on. That's what I get for fucking putting the panels back on before I had a chance, like before I checked it. Cool.